tester na chese bia condition aye kama condition ya kama akamo mu referee entwanhwe Jesse match onom aye coach and some adema Canada yintin our brand wo churchum said the situation and some city said what no a city our US and in the mountains. So
when they came to us before the match and said that they weren't going to have a water break, I didn't understand why. And they took some temperature, maybe they took it in the shade, but it was clear that it was an incredibly hot day. And I hope, have we heard what happened to the referee? Do we know anything? He's okay? I mean, obviously, you see that it affects everybody. So I think that was a poor decision. I think possibly also playing 5 o'clock matches in places like Kansas City is not ideal. But we knew that as big an opponent as Peru was in this match for us, that the heat and our ability to manage it was also a big factor. So, you know, in the end, again, I thought it helped us when we could go a man up, and it helped us control the match a little bit more. But I thought, again, all the players that came off the bench helped us a lot today, and we needed that because it was a hot day, and a lot of the starters were suffering at different moments.
Yes, and no, I Canada national team coach or red fan Jesse Marsh and our tenant Casa ya ten excepts in no and my for and I pay live for our project media. Ya fan full time live on Sompa 93.1 FM live on Facebook Canafe live on Sompa TV no ya da so at the update and banti and they no kakra frimo aba prosonia kwatana fan I am finished so junior say ya want to ja omo first game our Copa American mama say mo say na wasan na wanya de na and we share the any film na be cross ballon d'or no won timi nchine fa question was say do be so kama mu nyina ma so te ene say what the amount time monitor proso popola was so no nko ansa kan bo anasa ne nan kan bo pa nipa be sem yensa nipa be sem nan na omo twa ne ho ahia anam so what asem say the moment e bia proso la popo na omo pass ba mo no finish so junior no omo say bia 3 players elko 4 na omo nyina ba so mo twa ne ho ahia nti masa mama musa sanya bia no oya machine
then accuse you that because you didn't win the groups, then you've ended up with a tougher draw.
Yes, indeed. I know I am some manager, Fanasa, Gareth Southgate, and some other two Gamon Fancha network and a drop pay. Yes, I'm back live on Sompa 93.1 FM and some our Facebook. Yes, I am Arches and in an IHS or Ra. Yes, Fanasa Southgate and a sense some and some to the Timamo complaints a drop piano in a Sampa Fancha or Branning and some I can't from a Banamum. My main front two when our brother, my second, who ram and some.